What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Will Bitcoin and crypto explode in the month of June? Well, crypto analyst Benjamin Cowan, somebody I really respect in the space. I listen to a lot of his content on YouTube. He's pointing at three different metrics that suggest a June rally could be incoming for us in the crypto space. Of course, we never know for sure. None of us have a crystal ball, but I do listen to a select few number of people. Benjamin Cowan is one of those people who I listen to. Raoul Paul is another great voice in the space that I listen to quite often. So Benjamin Cowan, more of a technical analysis person, whereas Raoul Paul, more of a macroeconomic person, looks at things holistically as it relates to the overall economy, as it relates to the overall state of the world, right? So let's jump in here because Benjamin Cowan has some bullish thesis here for the upcoming month. So again, a popular crypto analyst, Benjamin Cowan. He's got a ton of people on YouTube. He does a fantastic job, closing in on 1 million YouTube subscribers, closing in on 800,000, but he'll be at 1 million sooner rather than later. He says, we know that the US dollar currency index, when it's moving higher in a parabolic rally, we know Bitcoin goes down. We've seen this many times in the past. Furthermore, if we just simply pull it up, you could see that over the last several months, the dollar has been on a parabolic rally. There you can see that right there, the US dollar currency index. However, recently you could see it's pulled back a little bit. Now, that does not, unfortunately, mean the dollar rally is over. It could just be taking a break for a while. But certainly looking at the dollar, having this pullback leads us to believe that risk on assets, crypto, could start to do well in the next few weeks. His second point points to the S&P 500 and NASDAQ having a pretty strong bounce off their local bottoms. He notes that crypto has yet to follow those moves. Now, why does he think this is significant? He says the reason, I think, is because we are in macro risk off time. And I would argue cryptocurrencies are inherently riskier than equities. I would agree. So equities are the first to move when it looks like we might be getting at least a few weeks of some relief. And then, as long as that sustains, crypto will kind of be next in line to go up as well. So he also notes that the 90-day exponential moving average, EMA, this is the biggest point, in my opinion, of the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is lower than it's ever been. He says the Fear and Greed Index measures, of course, we know the Fear and Greed Index measures market sentiment from 0 to 100. They take a variety of different measures, including social sentiment, Google Trends. Values between 0 and 24 show extreme fear. We've been there for a long time. Values between 25 and 49 indicate some type of fear. And then 51 to 74 is market greed, while anything over 75 is extreme greed. Cowan says the index's 90-day EMA is currently at 2356, which, again, is within that extreme fear category. He says this is hinting at a possibility of a bounce. We've never seen this before. The 90-day EMA of the Fear and Greed Index is lower than it's ever been for Bitcoin. So he thinks a breakout could be imminent in the next several weeks. And we are seeing a nice crypto rally over the past 48 hours. Of course, with Bitcoin, we crossed over $32,000 yesterday. I think that was big. Look at this. We're bouncing back up to 31.7 right now at the time of this recording. There is the 7-day outlook there on Bitcoin. That looks pretty bullish right there. Okay. Here's the 1 month. We have broken out of this zone a little bit that we've been trapped in for quite some time. And we will continue to watch this very closely. But again, Benjamin Cowan believes on 3 different fronts, we could be getting ready for a Bitcoin rally, which in return could lead us into a crypto rally. We shall see if Cowan is right. We shall see if this rally continues. And of course, we'll be keeping tabs right here on the channel. If you got some value out of this, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Got a bunch of links down below in the description. Tomorrow, a great day to join the Patreon. It is the first of the month. If you want to join our private community, over 1,000 people in our Discord talking crypto each and every day. Come on into the think tank and learn about cryptocurrency. Let's grow our portfolios together. Thank you all for tuning in. I will see you all in the next video.